Assalamu alaikum. Start with Bismillah. Welcome to my channel Scholar Efforts. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. You know that the English alphabet consists of 26 letters and all of these vowels are A, E, I, O and U. The rest of them are known as consonants. Use of A and N. An elephant, an apple, an inkpot, an orange, an umbrella, an elephant, an orange, an apple, an umbrella, an inkpot. All of these are vowels. Use of a chair, a book, a mango, a ball, a pencil, a pencil, a book, a chair, a ball, a mango. These are consonants. Thank you for watching.